Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Afterpay in store. So to use the Afterpay in your store, you need to first download the Afterpay and you need to first create an account by the following by the instruction in the app of the Afterpay card, okay, to your digital wallet. Then when you have the created the digital wallet, then you have to just go to your card tab section and you have to pre-approve or pre-add the card amount. Then you can all set. Then you can just directly scan or you can just use your card there in a store. So this is how we can just use it. Okay. So you can just here you can just read also. You can just open the wallet. You can just connect your Afterpay with your uh, Apple's wallet also. So this is how we can just do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.